Hi everyone, I am Navaneeth Krishnan. I am a wildlife photographer, and in this video we are going to see how to create amazing covers for IGTV as well as YouTube. So these are the major video broadcasting platforms where you will need cover photo. But basically I have heard from people that all these thumbnails that you create for your YouTube or the cover photos for your IGTV creates maximum amount of engagement. So that has to be very much attractive. So how to do that? So before we get started with the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you get daily one video and learn more on photography, Lightroom, Photoshop and Premiere Pro in the easiest way possible. So in this video, first we'll be seeing on how to create an attractive cover for YouTube, and then we'll proceed with the same cover, how to make the same cover for IGTV as well. So let's get started. So this is the home screen of Photoshop. So as soon as you click on create new, there is specific sizes that is for YouTube as well as for IGTV. So I just give the name here, YouTube thumbnail, and with the size of 2134 is to 1200 pixel. I change pixels here, sorry, 2134 to 1200. So this is the 2134 is to 1200 is the size of the thumbnail for YouTube. So we got to design the cover also in the same way so that it fits exactly according to the YouTube ratio. So we design, we set as 2134 is to 1200, and then we set a resolution of 500 so that it is a higher resolution, and we give our background as white, and it's an RGB 8-bit, or if you want you can go with 16-bit or something, and you can give on create. So it's going to be a plain white background now. So now we are going to add some creative things to this plain white background, and we have to make this very creative. So now let's see how we get doing that. So I have this small thing of my own photograph here. So I'm just making use of the same photograph, just dragging and dropping it. So this is it opens in Adobe Camera Raw because it's a raw file. So this I'll be making a new video on how to deal with this one. So as of now I'm just going ahead and clicking on auto. So it's making automatic change here, and I give OK, and it opens as a smart object. So as soon as it opens, just click as enter and make sure you remove the smart object here, and you use this tool, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, the 16th tool from top. That is, you have this pen nib type, and you use the same tool here, and what you do is just click on one position and then drag. Click on the second position and then drag it. After you click, you just drag it to this side and that side. You can find that there is a pen, so you just perfectly place it on the border, and then you have 1 2 and 3 points. On the center point you hold on alt key and then click on that. Then that becomes the source point now. So now you give the destination point here, and the same way you just go ahead and complete this one here. Now I have made this complete selection of my crop selected completely. Now this pen tool, after you reach the first point and the last point reaches the same point, it turns out completely to be blue here, like how it is right now. So now you give a right click here and you select on make selection and feather radius to be 0 pixel and click on OK. Now you find this thing to be selected And now what you do is click on Shift Control I on your keyboard and then click on Enter. So Shift Control I basically means of inverting your settings. So this particularly, so I give Control Z here. So first when you give selection, only this particular part of, that is myself, was selected. Only me, I was selected, and then I give Shift Control I and there is an invert of selection. Everything except me was selected. So now I just leaving this one, a full complete image was selected, and then I give on delete and everything gets deleted. And to release this selection, you can find this selection thing here. To release that selection, you go ahead and give Control D and you find the selection to be released. Now you select the first tool there, that is a move tool. Here you are able to move the subject and place it wherever you want. Now for transformation, you go ahead and click on Control T and reduce the size, and here I place it somewhere here in the center. You find the grid, helpful line grid, so it says your image is at the center. Now you increase it a bit more and you increase it a bit more, and now the lines again I match it with the center. So now I click OK, and you find two layers here, background layer and the other layer of the image. So now I go to the background layer and that's it. So this is how I have created a simple art for simple thumbnail cover for my YouTube channel for this particular video that I am doing right now. So I'll show you the same video how you can do it for IGTV as well. So now I go ahead and click on File, New, and I tell here IGTV poster, and I go ahead and give the size 640 is to 1136 and the pixel and the same 500 here, and go ahead and create. So this is thing. So I need not go ahead and create everything all again. So I just do a simple thing here. I just have this different layers here. Just select it. I just drag them and I just drop them here. So I hope you love this video, and do make amazing covers for your YouTube and IGTV so that you get maximum amount of engagement for your videos. And I hope this video was very much informative for you. Do follow me on Instagram and do subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with more amazing informative videos. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.